right, well, welcome. My name is Doug, and I'm a customer of Better Edge. And I can tell you, I have not been more pleased with the crew showing up on time. It's my second go-around of dealing with Better Edge. First time was about 12, 15 years ago, and that gives you an indication of how long Better Edge lasts. Moved up from down a little bit down on the south side, came on up, and the crew is here installing Better Edge. And here's what I want you to understand is I am a true customer. You can see my house, and like I talked to Chad, it's all about value, okay? This Better Edge not only makes the property and the enhancement and the value continue, but it just absolutely looks nice. It keeps the rock in. The way the drainage is, it's huge. And so I'm here right now talking to the crew. I came outside to see how they're doing. And as you can see, doing an amazing job. But the one thing, again, I want you to take away from is the value that Better Edge provides to you. And I am a true customer, second time around. Thanks, Better Edge.